let's see if we got this time. Refresh and we have it now. Hey everyone, so today I'm going to share my secret bot that I use to post a viral post in LinkedIn. So I built that bot using make.com. You can build the same using Zapier if you are using already, but I will just give you gist of what I have done and how you can do it as well on your end to achieve this. My particular domain is software, so those are the topics that I've chosen for my bot, but you can definitely choose it whatever you are, like you whatever the domain you choose and how you want your bot to perform. So let's say each of this node are very useful. So each of the section is called node, right? These are like individual node that you can deploy from here. Like make provides a different node that you can use and how you can use it for your business. But let's go through each node and what I'm doing and how I am using to create this viral bot. So first and foremost, we are looking at this scheduler. So whenever we start any scenarios, you need to set like how you want to perform this bot. So I have this scheduler kind of thing set up. So I just posted Tuesday or Friday and Friday, but you can do it on demand as well. So whenever you come here, you just press the run once and it will just run the bot again. There are different plans how you use Make and how many scenarios can be run at a time depending on the tier you have on Make.com. So for initial setup, what I have is I'm choosing a topic. So for me, I have chosen 5 topics and it can be rotated. That I can show you in the next part I discuss. But let's say so this is very important part. Like topic 1 needs to be in software engineering, artificial intelligence. I'm being very diligent on how I use the topic, like how that can really make your post viral and what keyword is really ranking. So I'm still learning, but this is what I have been using. So number 1 is software engineering, artificial intelligence, full stack developer, career growth tip is one of the hot topics on LinkedIn, and then problem solving is something that software engineer will like it. So now once we have defined this 5 topic, now we are defining the tone that each of the topics. So what bot will do, it will choose one topic and then we will also give them a variable like what's the tone for that topic. Is it like excited, happy, serious? Like you can add more, but it will just break the query that I'm using next, but you can definitely add it. But yeah, so this is all the tones we are using, and now this is the best part on like the core part. Like this is rotating your topic, like it chooses one topic. So you can see the topic 1 to 5. Like if you wish to add more topic, you just copy this and just paste it again. So once we have that, now you need to have an API key for your OpenAI, but that's the easy part, right? Like OpenAI has done an amazing job to attract anyone. So yeah, that's an easy part. Like if you have any issues, just let me know. I will guide you through how we can get a API keys. But yeah, so the magic happens here. So I am defining what topic. So once we get the topic after running topic rotator, so let's for example it chose software engineering, then it have multiple variables for tones. So once that is done, we are assuming, and these are very important constraints by the way. It sometimes fail because the AI is still immature, it does not understand. Sometimes it goes a little bit off. Like LinkedIn offers 3000 characters per post, so I believe it should be fine, but sometimes I have an error, so you can just run your bot again. But like I have good percentage of success, so I'm using this prompt. So once that is done, so once the ChatGPT has given you your blog or create a post for you, you can just copy paste the content here from the response, and now you can just, again the same thing, we need an API key for your LinkedIn. But once, and again that's an easy part, and once that's done, you can choose what's the visibility. Is it like only your connections or your public? Keep it public for improved engagement. And feed distribution, again meaningful, nothing to worry about. So like as I said, it's on a schedule basis, but like for this purpose I can just run it and show you what's happening. And let's see. So the call is happening in ChatGPT. We will have a blog post ready. So once that's done, okay, Remember I said LinkedIn has 300,000 characters, so it created 3012. So you can see that we have a good response here. Yeah, it created a good, but again it just added 12 more words or characters. So let's just tweak this ChatGPT bot. Let's just say 1800 or 1900 and at least, and let's try it again. Let's save it, let's run it again. So again, everything is selected, went to ChatGPT. Okay, so now it's posted. So yeah, so we have an idea about where it got posted. Use my profile, I'll just refresh it and see if we have it here. So yeah, let's try it again, because let's see if we had, yeah, we did had what we needed. Not sure why it happened, but yeah, I believe it's something related to LinkedIn, not us. So let's try it again. So ChatGPT is creating our LinkedIn post. Again, it's a bad error. Now it created 3173 characters. So let's toggle something cannot exceed 19, right? At least. Okay. Just say, let's delete this. We want to be as specific as we can to AI to build upon it. So again, let's try. Hope the fourth time is the magic number. So yes, so let's see if we got this time. Refresh and we have it now. So as you can see, this is just an example and how easily it created our viral post. Like, I'm just beginning my LinkedIn journey through this posting, but this can definitely boost your profile views and whatnot. So I hope you found this useful, and comment down below if you need anything from me. So hey, I see you in the next one.